Hello there, welcome back to the Chef T for Tochukwu. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the quick and easy recipe you are about to watch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a TikTok inspired recipe. I saw it on the Golden Balance guys TikTok, but his was the high calories version, so I decided to make the low calories version. But he was the one that inspired the video. I really enjoy his videos, so I'll recommend you check him out if you're on TikTok. So now let's get into the video. So first, you're going to need mini tortilla wrap instead of the big one. I'm going to use the mini one. You can get there at Tesco, as you can see. I don't know if it's in any other place, but you can get it from Tesco. And those in Nigeria, you can get it from the For You supermarket, formerly known as Amigos. Then you need banana, one small banana. Then you're going to need cherry jam. You can use strawberry jam, or cherry jam, or any jam you want to use. But I decided to go the one I had. Decided to go for the one I had, which is cherry jam. And then this is the peanut butter powder. I got it from what's it called? I forgot the name of the place. But yeah, and then this is also dark chocolate chips from Tesco. Just melt it, and that's what we're going to use. So let's get into the video. So this is our setup. Actually, I'm just going to do it now, so I don't have to do it later. But yeah, this is our setup. This is the tortilla wrap. I've already mixed the peanut butter with water, and then this is my strawberry jam and cherry jam, and this is my melted dark chocolate. Okay, so and my banana. Yeah, so just so we're clear, yeah, I saw this on TikTok, by the way, but I just decided to create the low calories version since people on TikTok don't care about calories. But yeah, but not everyone, to be fair. So first of all, I think you divide the middle. I don't know where the middle is, but yeah, not really divide, but like just do what I'm doing. Okay, and then you need to make sure it can go this way and can go this way. Yeah, like this, and then they do it like this. Yeah, okay, so that's the perfect one. If you can do that, then you're on track. Then one side is going to be peanut butter. This is like the dessert, like if you just need something. Oh, stop. Okay. Okay, this is just peanut butter, one side. Then we're going to have our jam. By the way, I usually like to mix it together, but some people have an issue with it, so let me just do this so that nobody comes for me. Not like I care, but let me just do it the way normal people would do it, since I like to mix weird combos. But yeah, so this is our cherry jam. You can use strawberry, you can use any jam you want. Yeah, it's up to you. This is what I have, and that's what I'm going to use. Then next we're going to add our banana. So I'm just going to use my cherry spoon. I think I want the banana at the end because I don't know, I just want it at the end. So I need to use the flat one. Make sure you cut it flat. Oh, yep. I think I'm going to make 2 because I wanna. Okay, so yeah, this is enough. I thought you said it was enough. Then we're going to add our dark chocolate to this side. Okay. Woo. So excited already. Yeah, dark chocolate to this side. You can use Nutella. Why I don't have Nutella is because if I buy Nutella, guys, I will sit down and lick the whole jar in 2 days. I would sit down and take everything, which is not good. So I just prefer not to have certain things in my house so that I can get to my weight loss goal. So yes, now we're going to do the hard part. So wrap, fold this way. Yeah, did you see that? And then you do it this way. Yeah, and voila. So now we're going to take it to the toaster or sandwich maker, whatever you call it. So this is me just placing it in there. Make sure you preheat your toaster or sandwich maker before the time, before you place it in. While that is cooking, I just want to hop in here and say thank you to everyone that supports me through this journey. It hasn't been easy. Like, I've always wanted to have a YouTube channel, but I've been, like, since 2016, but I just never did. I don't know why. Actually, I know why. I'll share that with you guys one day. But yeah, just thank you so much for always watching my videos. There's like 5 particular people that always watch my videos, and I'm just like, wow, these 5 people just love me so much. And I'm just like, wow, like I don't even advertise it, and then those 5 people just always check out my channel. And I don't know them. That's the annoying part. I have begged them to comment so I can know them, but they don't want to comment. But that's fine. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. And yeah, let's see the results. So I just realized that my hand was obstructing the camera. I'm really sorry for that. I'm going to learn and improve on that. But yeah, it was sort of a mess because you know how like the chocolate just melted in the heat and everything. But guys, this stuff is actually really good. It's a promise. Like, see my hand, it was a mess. But it was good. It was worth it, guys. I loved it. I'm glad I made 2, and I actually want to make more. But I don't like. I want to eat real food because this is just like a snack. I want to eat real food for dinner. So if not, I would have had this again for dinner. This was my first time trying it out, and I loved it. It was so good. 10 out of 10. It's a 10-10. I don't know if you guys know that here on TikTok. 10-10. You're a 10-10 girl. But yeah, I was just complaining about how it was messy. Maybe I left it too on there for too long. But guys, grilled banana is actually really nice. That's me giving it a thumbs up and me recommending it to you. Make sure you try this out, guys. Try it out. You would love it. Trust me. You would love it. Let's go. If you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to you. Tell everybody. Don't forget to comment down below if you would try out the recipe or if you tried it out and you'd like to let me know. Also, you can contact me on my Instagram page called the Chef T, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy quick recipes, and please turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, if I upload a video, you get it instantly. You just get the notification and you come here and watch the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.